super bored today. I was gonna clean my house, but decided I'd rather film a video instead. Thought it'd be fun to do a little 3-month update on baby Jude, and also do a little clothing haul for him because I just got done buying all of my kids' clothes for the fall and winter. I love buying baby clothes, so I thought it would be fun to go ahead and add that in with this video. Jude is 3 months old as of the 18th of this month. He learned how to roll over like a month ago, almost like 3 weeks ago maybe. He's 2.5 months, so like 2 weeks ago I think, 3 weeks. Anyways, something like that. He was 2.5 months old when he started to roll over, which is pretty early. Most babies don't roll over until they're 4 months, but he did it. I'll add a video in right now. So he is on the move. He likes to roll over. He hates tummy time, so I think that's why he started rolling over. He's so heavy, guys. He weighed 11.5 pounds at his 2-month checkup, and if I had to guess, I'd say he's probably like 14 pounds now. He's a chubby boy. He started rolling over, and he likes to like talk now, like just babble like babies usually do. He's starting to reach for toys and everything. We put like little toys on his bouncer chair, and he'll grab them and put them in his mouth. I bought him the cutest little teether. It's not teething, but he likes to chew on it. It's like a little coffee cup. It's so cute. He likes that. You just looking at yourself, huh? There's Jude. Yeah. But he's growing and he's healthy. He loves his brother and his sister. He loves being read to. He likes it when I wear him while I clean the house. He falls asleep every time. Today he was super upset and I was vacuuming and he fell asleep like instantly. What are you doing? Yeah. He sleeps a lot better than he did when he was first born. He didn't sleep at all. He'd sleep like 1.5 to 2 hours at a time. Finally figured out why. He has a dairy intolerance, so his stomach was really upset, so I had to stop eating dairy. Since I breastfeed, I'd eat dairy and it'd go into his little stomach and he just can't digest it very well. Do you have the hiccups? Oh. So me and Jude are dairy free for the time being. And yeah, he's a lot happier when he doesn't get dairy. If I accidentally eat dairy, it's like miserable. He doesn't sleep and he spits up a lot, and you can just tell he's super uncomfortable. Whoa. Whoa. Jude is such a mama's boy too. Like, he doesn't like really anybody else to hold him. He'll start to get super fussy, but the minute I take him, he's super happy. He'll start smiling and everything, huh? He thinks the funniest thing right now is when you burp. He just thinks it's so funny. Like, he'll just start giggling like super hard. Huh? Oh, he's getting mad because he's got the hiccups. Yeah. He hates going in the car. He does not like his car seat at all. He usually screams for a good 10 minutes or so until he finally falls asleep from the motion of the car, but he hates being in his car seat. He hates not being able to like see everybody and everything. So that's fun. Luckily we don't really go anywhere. Going to my brother's wedding next month and it's about a 3-hour drive. So that's gonna be rough, but we'll manage. Huh, buddy? He still has a ton of hair. He was born with a lot of hair, and he still has all of it, which usually babies like lose their hair after they're born. Like their hair starts to fall out and like then it grows back in, but he hasn't really lost any of his hair. And it's kind of hard to tell like on camera, but his hair is like kind of reddish, and I hope it goes like red. But I'll probably go blonde like his sister, who's just hanging out over here. She wants to show everybody her princess dress. All right, there you go, Ellie. Show everybody your dress. She got this Anna dress for her birthday. She likes it a lot. She would wear it all day, every day, if she could. Huh, Ellie? Yeah. That's pretty much it on Jude's 3-month update. Next month he goes to the doctors for his 4-month update, and that'll be a little bit more in depth, but so far he's chubby, healthy, and rolling over, huh? Got the hiccups. So now I'm gonna show you guys all of the cute little baby clothes I got for him. So for starters, I have this cute little onesie. It says handsome, and it came with this cute little bear one, which also has pants that has a little bear face on the back. It's so freaking cute. He also got this cool little, I don't know what you call this, like snow suit kind of thing. It's got little ears on the hood, so he looks like a little bear. He also has this cute little polar bear jacket that I got him. Oh, this one also has ears. I didn't know that, but that's cute. Lots of bear related things. I don't know why. Boy clothes aren't like that cute, I guess. Like, that sounds bad, but hi, Ellie. They just don't make like boy clothes as like cute as girl clothes. They're not as like diverse. They're pretty much trucks and dinosaurs, and that's it. He also has these cute little pajamas, which are also bears. A couple of different pairs, bears and mountains and more bears. Lots of bears. These ones also have bears on them. These ones match the pajamas that I just showed. More bears. I like this one. It says I can climb mountains. And just like this orange striped one. These ones I got at Target, and these ones are so cute. Also bear themed. I don't know, Target, why is everything bear themed? But this is really cute. It's like a romper. I love rompers. He has a cute little black one that I bought when he was like a newborn. Super cute. These two onesies are my favorite. I got him 2 little Nirvana onesies. I think I got these ones on Amazon, and I cannot wait until he can fit into these because they're so freaking cute. Like, me and him could match because I have some Nirvana shirts. Also, obviously, I had to get this onesie. It says Hey Jude. So he was actually named after this song because I'm a huge Beatles fan. I love Hey Jude. It's one of my favorite songs, so I had to get him a onesie that said Hey Jude. Got this romper too from Target. This one's super cute. I think that's a bear or a dog. I don't know. It's one of those. I think this onesie went with one of those other like sets. And then I also got this one. This is super soft. I got this at Old Navy. Like, all of his clothes are either Target, Carter's, or Old Navy. Old Navy is my absolute favorite place to buy kids clothes from. I think they have a lot of cute clothes. That's where I get all of Ellie's clothes. She wants to do a clothing haul too, so I might add that in this video. If not, it will be in a different video, so we'll see. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye.